Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today I will show you again what is happening on the Bitcoin chart price right now. If you want to know what trades I will open, then watch this video till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. Today I have prepared for you several setups, several different metrics that I found on the Bitcoin chart. It will show us what will happen to the price in the near future. If you want to understand what positions to open in the near future and what positions you shouldn't open, then watch this video till the end and you will find out everything that happens on the Bitcoin price chart. So we start with the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday I showed you the cup and handle formation here. We made a breakthrough here. It was $17,102, reached $16,900, and if the trade was removed from here, then you can already place a stop without a loss. The maximum profit is 0.43%. With the 10s leverage it would be 10% of profit, so almost 0.8% didn't reach the target. So right now there will probably be a test of this resistance level that was support before. It was a very strong resistance level, now it has become a support level. And perhaps now we will retest this level. Now we need to follow the price action and then we can make, for example, such movement and retest this trend line that has formed here. So this trend line can be drawn in this way or in a similar way. At least we need to do a retest. From it there will already be quite a serious movement, and as you remember, when we come to big trend lines we get a big move. When we test this line we will get a big move, either up or down depending on what kind of news comes out. If the news background is positive, then most likely the line will go up, and if news negative, then the line will go down. So also traders, we will look at the 4 hour time frame. I have already shown you this yellow symmetrical triangle. We have made a breakthrough right now. As I said, we're retesting this triangle from above, retesting this support level. As I said, you can put a stop here or put it here and go into a long position and collect. Let's see how much specific percentage. So the purpose of this movement, the purpose of exiting this triangle, if we break out is true, is the distance from the upper to the lower border. So that is about 8%. With a retest, we can get a movement in the range of $18,000. So it's a good trade. If we return and don't hold this support, then the trade becomes irrelevant. It can be cancelled. So traders, we'll look at the new information that I found for you. This is very similar to a bearish pattern, which indicates that we made a move down on December 14th. Then, as I said, they made a trade in the range of $16,200, $17,000. The strongest resistance levels we make such a break, which is quite a bearish formation. The purpose of this breakdown is this distance. Approximately our prices will be around $15,100. This is where we can go after the trade in this range. So now we are primarily interested in the upper resistance level. This is $17,000. All the attention is on it now. And if we break through this level on volume, then we retest this resistance level and we have the opportunity to go higher. So accordingly, in the near future, we monitor this level of resistance. If we make a good volume exit, then it will be more of a bullish formation. If we hold on to $17,000, then we may see targets even higher. So also look at another 1 hour time frame. Here we have a Fibonacci grid. As you remember, I stay long on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange, and I have already said more than once that I will get long if the price falls. We will not be able to take away this movement that we have now on the main plane. So I remind you that the main plan for us is to take a very short-term movement which can give us 6 or 7%. This is the movement we want to pick up on the spot. So for example, with the second leverage you can already make 12% on this long move. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT. using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your $30,000 bonuses on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and on the BitGet you can get up to $4,163 bonuses. And right now follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment and get your bonuses. So we return to the 1 hour time frame. I told you that we had a down move from $18,300 to $16,277 and didn't correct for that fall, so we need to make a correction for this fall. And the minimum correction we expect is $17,500, $17,300. Conservative targets that I expect for Bitcoin, so I want to capture this long movement here. Then I will look at the price action, or we will change the structure and form a bullish formation. This will give us the prospect of further growth, or from $17,300, $17,500 or $17,900. It will be possible to consider short positions with short stops. So if you want to take a small shot, then open a position from $17,370, a stop at $17,450, $559. So which means that the stop is around 1%. And if you want a bigger position with more risk, then you need to go short from $17,310 to $17,943. The average price will be approximately $17,500. The stop can be set at 2%, somewhere at $18,100, or it can be taken out for 5 or 6%, and a stop of $18,639 can be placed. But it gives a prospect for taking a short position. It's likely that there may be a position from 15 to 17% in the most conservative hands. So the global targets for falling are the levels of $12,000 and $10,000. That's around 40% drop. Is it possible? Let's not guessing about that. This is just technical analysis and hypothetical setups that corresponds to risk management. Even if we take a short position from here, having previously captured the long movement, we will place stops for 1-2%, which corresponds to our risk management. If you place a stop loss at 5%, you take 2 leverage. Remember that your stop will be 10% in total because the leverage is multiplied by the stop percentage. Take a stop loss that suits your risk management. If we take this long move, then we want to take now, and after that we take a short move and it doesn't win back, then we will not lose. It will just be one bad trade that will close based on our risk management, and at the same time the potential will be quite high. We don't lose anything. This is just a setup. So we will take a closer look at this situation as we approach these values. But again, what I want to say about what is happening now and why short positions are not a priority for the long term, at least look at the charts I'm showing you right now. In this chart, Bitcoin has found a bottom, and it has always found a bottom when the price is in downtrend. So look at the chart again. The price is in downtrend right now. The Bitcoin chart is highlighted in green, and now the price is in downtrend, but the momentum indicator is starting to rise. So we saw it here. The price was in a downtrend. The momentum was starting to rise. The momentum breaks the giant trend line and the price starts to rise. And the same thing happens here. The price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend and the momentum indicator is breaking the trend line right now. And it reminds us very much of this piece. So accordingly, right now, the price of Bitcoin is preparing something big, something special that can change everything in the near future. So what do you think about that, guys? Write your opinion in the comment. Don't forget to put your likes and comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my Telegram group. It's all for now. Bye.